What is a property inspection waiver, otherwise known as a PIW? I am going to explain that here. Welcome to Loan with Jen. Thanks for watching. We've got over 300 videos, real facts, no BS. Okay, what is a property insurance or property inspection waiver? So it is determined by the lender only that your loan qualifies to waive the inspection. So again, this is not something that's the choice of the buyer or the realtor. It's the lender's choice. And let me tell you how we get there. So number one, it must be a primary residence. There are no waivers on investment or second homes. Number two, it must be a non-jumbo loan. So it must be a conforming loan, meeting the conforming loan limits. That's different in every state. Currently, this is being filmed in 2022, and the current majority of the country loan limit is $647,200. Now, if you live on the east or the west coast, the limits are higher. So check for the community that you're in. But your loan, not the price, but the loan must be below that conforming limit to qualify. The additional thing that has to happen is there's usually a large down payment, more than 20%. We have seen very few waivers come across for less than 20% down. I believe I have seen it a few times, but majority of the time is 20+% down. The last thing that must be in check for you to know is that the automated system that is the conventional loans are connected to is driven by data that's programmed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. They are the government-sponsored entities that make the rules on all the loans that are conventional loans out there. So this automated portal is used by all lenders. We all use the same portal. We securely connect to that portal, and with the property address of the contract that you have in place, you must have a property address. We run the automated system, and the system within seconds, really, very fast, can ascertain whether or not this property value that has been into the computer, we're gonna say it's $525,000. And for 123 ABC Street, $525,000 is the contract sales price. If the automated system perceives that this value is not inflated, in other words, it's got enough data floating out there in cyberspace, which is a little scary if you think about it, but somewhere out there, there's enough data to support that $525,000 value, more or less. There's a tolerance. In addition, the client has very good credit, lots of equity in the property. They're putting a large down payment, or if it's a refinance, they've got a lot of equity. Those are the components that must be present in order to get the waiver. So the reason I explain this to you in detail is if you're putting a low down payment, this is likely not going to happen. But if you are putting a large down payment, have great credit and great property reserves, it's very likely that this likely is going to happen. If it does, your lender will of course let you know, and we give our clients the choice. Some clients prefer, even though we're getting a waiver, then we do want to still get a property, and we still want to get a property appraisal. We don't want to waive it. We want to pay the money to get an appraisal. We want to know what it's worth. So it is up to the buyer if they want to exercise that right or not. If the waiver is given, they don't have to take it, but it certainly saves you money and also can make the transaction a little bit quicker, possibly close a little quicker. So that's what a property inspection waiver is. I would love to hear your questions. Please, please, please. I want to know what you're thinking regarding property inspections, property appraisals. Stick around, Loan with Jen, lots of videos to help educate you. Real facts, no BS. Talk to you soon.